Hi guys, welcome to Distaka channel guys. So how we can accepting for web push notification option. So what is the web push notification option? There is nothing but any kind of article you can update your website. Immediately we can push notification purpose. So how we can accepting this push notification on your particular WordPress website. In this purpose, we are selecting one website is called webpusher.com. So webpusher.com is completely will be not free. They will be charging for 10K subscriber up to will be free option will be given. Previous 60K they give, now will be providing for up to 10K. So now we can uploading icon where exact your icon is there. We can selecting the icon. Next, we can enable your icon. So if your website will be HTTPS, disable this option. If your website will be HTTP, enable this option. Click for next step. After that is enable one API code. So this API code, how we can install the WordPress? That is, we can install the plugin option. So without plugin also will be there, but we can go for website will be with the plugin option. They will be easily set up the particular things. Now we can copy this plugin name, go to plugin option, add new plugin, select web pusher, install. Install active is very easy steps. Follow the steps and include it. Activate. Here code is there. What is the code will be happen? Copy, activate, web pusher. So here is the done. Once is done, immediately they get the option will be here. Would you like receive the notification on latest updates? So we can okay with the click for yes. After click for next, now we can go to the dashboard. Before this option, click for yes. We can activate the notification. Right now I'm not looking this here. Notification icon, upload icon. So which is icon will be here. We can give this one. So automatic will send notification when a new post is published. Automatic send push notification when an existing post is updated. See this option. Now click for save setting. Now copy this URL, open incognito window. Now we have to check how it can happen in here. Logo here. When you click for S, is asking for your push notification option. Here is the things. Blog nothing is an open incognito window. That is the main reason. Click here, they will open for the push notification. Incognito will be different your particular things. After this one, anything you can change option, push notification settings, manual push, anything you want, you can go with the setting option is there. So now, not looking for this option. So first of all, this future I'm checking for Mozilla. Suppose again not working for my Mozilla browser, what happened? They will be confused for everyone. So this is the option. So this push notification working for anyway into the particular user getting for latest update receiving purpose. So now what are the options we have? Everything we can integration for. So this is all options will be here. Logs, how many people will be subscriber, everything we check. Suppose I can subscribe here. simple, allow this one. Immediately they get here device. What are the setup here? Everything we can check from in this option here. Light box 2, bell icon, which is you want here. This is a different options are there. So the bell icon you can go with. So these are the future they given by the particular option will be in the particular dashboard. What are the parameters you require? We can go with the particular parameter option by using this website. In this website, main goal is called you can reach the customer will be give the training from say constable and groups training purpose. So this will be used for the group training purpose and SA constable training purpose. We not require close this option. So this is a way you can enable the push notification on your WordPress website. This web pusher will be helped by the HTML website, PHP, WordPress. If you're adding for another website, you can go, this option will be here. Weebly, here type typical site, WordPress, Wix, Blogger, Shopify, everything is there. We can here add this option enabled by the push notification on a particular website. These are method follow will be 3 steps to activate your web push notification option. Any further question, you can ask me to my channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.